Hello and welcome to my YouTube page. In this video we will walk through a Python program. In the beginning I will give you an overview of what I plan to cover, then I will switch over to Python idle editor, walk you through the script and then run the program in Python shell. At the end, if you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing. Now let's begin. For this Python program, the purpose is to create a linked list. A linked list is a data structure that consists of a sequence of data items of the same or similar types, and each node has one or more links to another node. This data structure is dynamic in the sense that the number of data items can change. A linked list can grow and shrink during the execution of the program that is manipulating it. A linked list is a data structure that consists of a chain or sequence of nodes connected in some manner. A node is a relatively smaller data structure that contains data and one or more links that are used to connect a node to one or more other nodes. In graphical form, a node may be depicted as a box, which is divided into two types of components. The first component is a data block that stores one or more data components. The second component is one or more link components that are references to other nodes. A simple node in a linked list has the data block and a reference that connects it to another node. These nodes can be located anywhere in memory and do not have to be stored contiguously. There are four main types of linked lists: singly, doubly, circular, and circular doubly. Singly linked list is the most basic linked list in which traversal is unidirectional from the head node to the last node. In doubly linked list, traversal can be done in both ways, and hence it requires an extra pointer. Circular linked list is unidirectional, but, in this list, the last node points to the first, the head node, and hence it becomes circular in nature. The circular doubly linked list is a combination of the doubly and circular linked lists. It means that this linked list is bidirectional and contains two pointers, and the last pointer points to the first pointer. Now, let's open up the Python idle editor and we will develop a program to create a linked list. First, start out by putting identification information for the Python file enclosed within three quotations. For the program file name, let's title it linkedlist1.py. Then the author information, and for that, I'll put my name Lewis. Next the date, which is October 17, 2022, and lastly I'll put a short description of the program. This Python program creates a linked list. First, let's start out by creating a class node. Type class node : and press enter. Next, define the init function to initialize our node object. Type def __init __ open parenthesis self, data, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Type self.data equals data and press enter. Type self.next equals none and press enter. This will initialize next as null. The none keyword is used to define a null value, or no value at all. The init function is called every time an object is created from a class. The init method lets the class initialize the object's attributes and serves no other purpose. It is only used within classes. The self keyword is used to represent an instance of the given class. Next, let's create our class linked list. Type class linked list : and press enter. Next, type def __init __ open parenthesis self, close parenthesis, and press enter. Type self.head equals none and press enter. The class linked list contains a node object. Now we will create a function that prints the contents of the linked list starting from head. Type def printlist, open parenthesis self, close parenthesis, and press enter. Type temp equals self.head and press enter. Type while, open parenthesis, temp, close parenthesis, and press enter. Type print, open parenthesis, temp.data, close parenthesis, and press enter. Type temp equals temp.next. And press enter. The print function prints the specified message to the screen, or other standard output device. The message can be a string, or any other object. The object will be converted into a string before being written to the screen. Now we are ready to create code that executes the linked list that has 3 nodes. Type if __name __ quotation __ main quotation colon and press enter. The name variable is a special Python variable. It gets its value depending on how we execute the script. It is a built-in variable that evaluates the name of the current module. Main is the name of the environment where top-level code is run. Top-level code is the first user-specified Python module that starts running. It's top-level because it imports all other modules that the program needs. Type list equals linked list, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and press enter. This starts with an empty list. Next, type list.head equals node, open parenthesis, 1, close parenthesis, and press enter. Node 1 is our head node. Type second equals node, open parenthesis 2, close parenthesis, and press enter. This is our second node. Type third equals node, open parenthesis 3, close parenthesis, and press enter. This is our third node. We want to link the first node to the second node. Type list.head.next equals second and press enter. This line links the first node with the second node. We want to link the second node to the third node, type second.next equals third and press enter. This line links the second node to the third node. Now all there's left to do is call the function to print the lists. Type list.printlist, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and press enter. To make it easier to visually understand, take a moment to look at the figure. 3 nodes have been created, first as the head, second and third. Next, the line list.head.next equals second links the first node with the second. Next, the link second.next equals third links the second node with the third. Let's have this print in the output as well. Type visual rep equals 3 quotations, the representation, close with 3 quotations and press enter. Type print, open parenthesis, visual rep, close parenthesis, and press enter. Now, let's run the module and confirm the program that creates the linked lists outputs as expected. In the Python idle editor header, click Run, then click Run Module. After the idle shell opens, as you can see, Python returns list 1, 2, and 3. It is important to remember the visual representation as it appears simplified here. Thank you for watching my video. If you've enjoyed this video and found it informative, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload videos to YouTube. I'll see you next week with a new Python video. Until next time, take care.